Well, in question 4, they are asking us to sketch a strategy to compute numerically the decision rules for the planner's problem. Decision rules are, well, my k primes, or in this case, the maximizer function, which depends on x, y, z, gamma. Okay, so let's get to it. So basically, it's just the same algorithm for value iteration, and so it's same algorithm for value iteration. So initial configuration, we are required to define grid of values for L. In this case, we're asked for L, right? And which is L equals a vector L1 to LP, right? And this is well, L min and L max, right? And well, this size of the grid increases, right? And well, we can define the matrix. That's a step 2. Define matrix M equals just the storage of the return functions, right? So that's f k1 k1 f kp kp and the crossed return functions, right? So that's k2, that's f, sorry, let's just be clearer right here, kp kp, and sorry, that's f k1 kp, and you can imagine how this matrix is filled and how is it stored, right? So you can step 3, just set tolerance for return function or just the feasibility condition, right? So for feasibility condition, and having said this, we can actually just go right over to the algorithm, which is just one propose an initial column vector for the value function, or just the decision rule. Just take it v0 elements or of our rp, right? Because we are defining a, sorry, these are L's, L1 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 L2 L1 LP, and this is LP LP, right? So our elements of a vector field over the RP, and well, we have an initialize just well, your iteration, your counter, s equals 0. So given vs and m, calculate vi s plus 1 for all I in just 1 to p, right? And as follows. So we have that vi s plus 1 equals what? The maximum between the maximum from 1 to p from mij. This is the entry of the return function. So this is actually some f l I l j, right? plus the patient's parameter VJS, right, the previous value. And well, 3, and finally is just calculate the norm between the two. Calculate VS plus 1 minus VS. If this is just let's take it as a tolerance, so let's just take var phi, right? This is tolerance value. Calculate, then you're done. And if not, return to step 2, right? And there you go. Then you're done. This is that VS plus 1 equals VS, right? And you're done. So yeah, this is a pretty straightforward answer. You just have to remember the algorithm. I actually, when I'm teaching, I don't like to put these questions in the exam because it requires memory and not thinking. But yeah, so yeah, this is question 4. We're almost done. So thank you.